Here I have Samsung Galaxy S4. Today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So firstly, you have to open your phone application, then go to contacts, select contact which you want to add photo, and tap here to edit it. Then tap on the this plus icon to add photo. You can select image from gallery, take picture from tagged pictures for as memo. So I'll just select an image. And here you can crop your image, then tap save, and tap save one more time, and as you can see, image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.